Hello, parents and children. Today we are going to practice reading. Listen to the reading and read along. Let's read a passage about this picture. Look at the picture and read along. I like. I like to play. I like to play games. I like to play games with my cat. I like to play games with my cats. Shall we read again? I like. I like to play. I like to play games. I like to play games with my cat. I like to play games with my cats. Very good. You get a star for reading so well. Now let's do an activity. Read the word and match it to the correct picture. Let's read the first word. Cat. Can you see a cat? Yes, this is the word cat and we match it to the picture of a cat. Let's read the next word. Cats. Can you see many cats? Yes, we match the word cats to the picture of cats. Let's read the last word. Play. Can you see someone playing? Yes, see her play with the dog. Very good. I hope you enjoyed the activity and reading the passages. Keep practicing at home.